A reckless semi-truck driver was driving poorly on the road. The dump truck driver was tailgating the semi-truck and suddenly swerved into the turn lane, causing a collision with the Ranger. The dump truck driver was cited for improper lane change, and the total damage amounted to $6,600. Don't worry, everyone. I managed to write down his license plate number. The driver abruptly slammed on the brakes, causing the load of I-beams to break loose and crash through the truck's cab. A collision occurred between a train and a semi-trailer at a snowy railroad crossing. The impact was captured on video as the train dragged the truck along the tracks for a significant distance. He thinks he's so cool, but his reckless driving is a major concern.
Hey!
There was only one opportunity to return early, and he took advantage of it. After an accident involving two semi-trucks on Route 10 in Medina County, it was discovered that one of the trucks was transporting Thirsty Dog Barktoberfest beer. I thought the truck would be saved successfully, but unfortunately it sustained twice as much damage. Hey guys, when coming out of turns or merging, the least you can do is watch for traffic in the adjacent lane. The driver made a wrong move by entering the opposite lane, but fortunately he quickly returned to his own lane. If he hadn't, I'm not sure what would have happened to the two cars. The driver caused a shocking crash between his vehicle and a Norfolk Southern train in Chambord, PA. Remember, never rush when crossing train tracks, as trains cannot stop suddenly and their impact force is significant. The balancing forces caused a problematic situation. It's raining, and the road is wet. When driving in such conditions, remember to slow down, maintain a safe distance. An incident occurred on Bay Bridge at 3 p.m. on March 24th. Unfortunately, accidents like this tend to happen to drivers who drive recklessly. The driver was speeding on the highway, lost control, and spun out on the road. Absolutely, driving too fast in adverse weather conditions leads to accidents.
Whoa!
It serves as a valuable lesson for others to witness and learn from, but thankfully, everyone involved in the incident was unharmed. A 30-year-old man driving a Volkswagen car made an unsafe maneuver when turning onto Dogobruskaya Street. and collided with an oncoming tram. More importantly, bad drivers frequently cause trouble for responsible drivers. A driver in Valley Cottage was caught on camera displaying erratic behavior, repeatedly crossing the double yellow line, and ultimately colliding with another vehicle, causing it to roll over. This footage highlights the dangers of reckless driving and emphasizes the importance of responsible road behavior to prevent such incidents. It was a truck driver's worst nightmare when their trailer ended up in a ditch due to a massive driving failure. I believe they learned the importance of patience after this incident. Look at how they tried to argue, disregarding all the giveaway signs. In the end, they had to turn around and wait for another car to pass. A garbage truck collided with a school bus and 3 cars on Long Island, causing significant damage and potential injuries. The cement mixer truck was caught off guard and couldn't avoid colliding with the car, resulting in an unexpected loss of balance. This incident occurred on I-5 south of Thorsborg, Oregon. It was later discovered that the driver had a medical problem, but fortunately, it wasn't severe. A monster truck driver came to the rescue of stranded vehicles in Houston, displaying kindness and goodwill. A truck collided with a bridge on the motorway, causing damage and traffic disruption. Is the car backing out of a food establishment, or is it moving erratically on the street? Let me know in the comments if you've had a similar experience. A concerning trend of drivers running red lights has emerged. An out-of-control pickup truck crashed into a shop and motorcycles on a road in Thailand. If each of us were more careful on the road, scenes like these could be avoided. The incident occurred on the US 2 at Home Occurs Road near Rich, Washington, commonly known as the Trestle. Luckily, there were no serious injuries reported, but my car was deemed a total loss. It appears that the driver lost control on the previous turn, indicating the importance of maintaining control and timing while driving. Never disregard a red light and jump the signal, as it poses a significant risk to yourself and others on the road. I was relieved when the driver noticed me and responded accordingly. It seems the driver fell asleep at the wheel, failing to notice the car merging into their lane. The collision with the rear of the truck damaged the tire and caused it to impact the fence. To curb this hazardous practice, a great driver deserving of respect for their skills and responsible behavior on the road.